welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be making some delicious ackee and saltfish. I already have an ackee and saltfish recipe on my channel if you scroll down. However, just want to put a little twist. Egg roll wrap is what I'm gonna be doing. I have my tricolor peppers. I'll be using about 1/4 of each. I'm going to dice them instead of cutting them julienne style. Have some scallion. I have my thyme, garlic, some pepper. This is the scorpion pepper. I have that hot pepper sauce if you scroll down. And like I said, I have the ackee right here. My saltfish soaking in some water. Just use a little bit of saltfish. I just use a saltfish for the flavor because I like saltfish by itself. That's my preference. Just a little egg just to pull the ends together. And I have some black salt and pepper and a little bit of all-purpose seasoning to go on my ackee and saltfish. And that's it. So stay tuned, all right? All right, let's get right into it. I have right here my egg roll wraps. You can actually pick these up at any of your supermarket in the produce section. I have my ackee, that's a can. I have a little bit of saltfish. Use however the amount that you like. I'm gonna use some tricolor peppers, scallion, thyme, garlic, tomato, onion. Yes, everything nicely diced. It's better to do it this way for the egg roll so you don't want no long pieces falling out. So it was so good. All right, now I had the egg right there, which is gonna bind the wrap together. I'm gonna start by adding a little bit of coconut oil. Coconut oil just give ackee the nicest flavor. All right, add my coconut oil and allow it to melt just a little. All right, now I'm gonna drop my ingredients in. You can just drop them in no particular order. All right, so I just basically let them saute for a few minutes before I drop the saltfish in, and add my little black pepper, a little seasoning, which is a little all-purpose seasoning. It gives it a nice little flavor. All right, and then I'm gonna add the ackee, and then we're gonna keep it moving. All right, so there's my saltfish boiling over to the side. Even though I was soaking it in some water, I'd still boil it to get some of the excessive salt out. And then I'm gonna wash it in some cold water. I'm gonna flake it and add it to my other ingredients. I'm just adding just a little salt and pepper because I'm not using too much saltfish. Like I said, I like my saltfish separate from the ackee or from if I'm doing callaloo. I like the saltfish to be cooked separate, but to each his own. You can combine it, but I'm doing it this way. But I just use a little bit of the saltfish just to give my ackee a little salty flavor. All right, just a little all-purpose seasoning, just probably about 1/2 teaspoon is what I'm adding to this, and not gonna add any water. Just cover it up for a little, and it's gonna spring forth its own juices. So after a few minutes, I'm just gonna add my ackee. You can, I'm using the canned ackee because I don't have access to the fresh ackee. I'm not in Jamaica. I'm in Atlanta, Georgia. The ackee does not grow here. All right, so there's the ackee after a few minutes. It's already pre-cooked. I just rinsed it off with some water, and that's what it looks like. And just make as many wrap as you like. You can make them big, or just stuff it to however you want it. These wraps were small, so just made some smaller one. Okay. And this is my first time doing it. You can actually see how to wrap it on the back of the wrapper. I was like, you know what, let me just try something different. Hey, it doesn't have to be perfect. But I got it in there, but I'll perfect it along the way. So, but it was really good. It was really good, better than I expected. I'm just, you know, using the egg to lock it together. Right there, locked it perfect. So yeah, it's just one egg, and just like I said, just make as many as you like, and deep fry them in oil at 350 degrees for about 2 to 3 minutes. The Ackee's already cooked, and the wrap is just like doughy, so it's just like it doesn't take, the process wasn't long at all. So quick little simple meal, but it looks exquisite, all right, when you present it. So I'm just gonna show 4 of them that I did first, and I'm gonna deep fry them. Like I said, my oil is already heating up. I'm gonna use a pot so you can see. Just keep everything right there on the stove, but you know, you can use your deep fryer if that's your choice, and you have the option to bake this. And like I said, the instructions are on the back of the wrapper. And yeah, I just picked these up at my local Publix supermarket, but they're sold in all the supermarkets when you Google them. All right, and see how they're starting to you know, get golden brown. They're floating to the top, so yeah, it's time to take them out. It's been about 2 or 3 minutes. Like I said, if you blink, you'll burn them. All right, so quick, simple process. Oh, so good. You can have these for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. You can actually wrap them up and put them in the freezer, and once you're ready to eat them, just drop them in the deep fryer, just like, you know, some little prepackaged meal type of thing, but better than TV dinner is what I would say. All right, so I hope you guys enjoy this. Please make sure you hit that subscribe button, that notification bell while you're here. I'm gonna cut into this, show you how nice. It's still steaming. Watch it. Nice. So good. It tastes better than how it look. All right, so good. All right, and if you are not following, make sure you're following me right here. Well, actually, make sure you subscribe to my channel right here on YouTube. I'm also on Instagram. All the platforms at the Raina's Kitchen is how you can find me. I'll drop all my links in the description box. And then if you're looking for Ackee and you don't have access to Ackee, you can go right over to my Amazon storefront. That link will also be in the description box, so you can pick up a couple cans of Ackee, okay, if you don't have access to fresh Ackee. All right, so thank you again. Enjoy. Thank you again for watching. I'm gonna take a bite, a dip, have some sweet chili sauce right here. Make sure you guys try it. Tell me how you like it. Nice and crunchy. Ackee egg roll. You can try the spring roll, the egg roll. All right, make sure you hit that subscribe button, that notification bell. And thank you again for watching. Have a wonderful day. See you on the next video. Bye-bye.